information you need to make this day a better day. In this video, we will talk about the most important things we need to know before withdrawing our high dollars. If this is your first time hearing about high dollars, I recommend you watch my previous video to learn more about the basics of this platform. The most important thing we have to accomplish before we can withdraw our high dollars is the KYC, or Know Your Customer. It's a standard practice in any company offering financial services to protect its members from fraud, money laundering, and illegal activities in its ecosystem. Usually, it requires a valid email address, valid government-issued IDs, and a selfie. There are also instances that they require proof of address, but in high dollars, you only need the first three for a level 1 verification. For the level 2 verification that I haven't completed yet, this time we need to submit any proof of address. They will be asking us about our financial background, and we also need to provide income proof and source of fund, which is typically asked by any financial company. Let's say you've completed the KYC. Now you want to withdraw your earnings. First of all, log into your high dollars account. You may go directly to web.high.com to open the web app, or you can choose the withdraw button in the chat box, then click the link to get to the login page. Enter your Telegram phone number and your high dollar password. If you have not set up a password yet, you will have to verify the passcode sent to your Telegram till you reach this page. You can see here that there are 4 types of balances on your account. We got here flexible, vault, rewards, and earnings. So what are these? Anything you earn from your claim daily reward or the prize pool goes to your rewards balance in USD to be released in 1 year. Let's say you earned one high dollar today. That one high dollar will be released in your flexible balance at the same time on the 2nd of October 2022. Your flexible balance holds your withdrawable assets that also includes those bought at market price. Let's pretend to buy high dollars. Let's click the high icon where we can do transactions. We only want to buy high dollars at market price, so tap the buy icon. The only available payment method at the moment is to pay with crypto. You have an option here to buy with other cryptocurrencies like BTC, ETH, LTC, and so on. Assuming that I have enough balance to make a purchase, I'll enter the amount of high dollars I want to buy, then it auto-populates the amount I have to pay in USDT, whichever crypto you prefer to use. Now, before you hit that buy at the bottom, make sure to select market price to send it straight to your flexible balance. If you choose either a 1 year or a 4 year daily release, the amount you bought will go to your vault to be released daily in your flexible balance until you complete a 1 year or 4 year period. Lastly, you have your earnings. Your earnings hold your deposited assets to profit over time. This is like your time deposit that has a maturity period. You just let your cryptocurrency sit in this wallet for a certain period and let it earn up to 40% APY, or annual percentage yield. You can choose to get paid daily or wait until the term ends. Before we proceed, if you have any questions, clarifications, or if you want to add more to what I was saying, please leave a comment below. I really appreciate it if you do so. Now let's assume I have a balance on my flexible account that I want to withdraw. I will tap the high icon and tap withdraw. I will select the currency I want to withdraw from high. I will choose USDT, then I will be pasting my USDT wallet here and enter the amount I want to withdraw. You can see here the network fee that will be deducted from you and the estimated time you will receive your crypto. If I select withdraw, I will receive my USDT within 1 to 2 business days. Unfortunately, I can no longer go beyond that. What I wanted you to know is the idea of how to withdraw your earnings and to understand how these balances work. Just remember that you can only withdraw from your flexible account. If there's anything you want to ask about our topic today, please don't forget to leave a comment below. I wish you all the best and thank you so much for watching. Please take care. Bye!